It comes in a welcome kit with batteries, a USB cable, user manual and the quick reference guide, sensor, transmitter and receiver. It also includes a contour blood glucose meter, test strips, lancing device and lancets. First, prepare your transmitter by inserting a new battery. Open the lid by turning. Make sure to place the battery's positive side in the lid. Turn to lock the battery like this. Now turn on your ContourVia receiver. Connect the transmitter to your receiver. Choose Configure to set the correct date and time. This cannot be changed after a sensor has been initialized. Select the area where you want to insert the sensor. It can be applied to either upper arm or on the abdomen. The location should be alternated each time when you change sensors. The skin should be clean, dry and free of any lotion or moisturizer. Make sure you have sufficient supply available for skin cleaning. Check the sensor pack for expiration date and open it gently. For easy application, the sensor base is attached to an inserter. You can see two lock arms, an orange lock pin, and a release button, which is covered by an orange protective cap. The sensor base is hinged, which allows you to modify the insertion angle. Peel off the protective film from the sensor. Firmly place the sensor onto the skin and gently push down the adhesive strip around the sensor base to ensure proper adhesion. You may remove the orange lock pin on the inserter. Then remove the orange protective cap that covers the release button on the inserter. The insertion angle is 45 degrees. It can be modified. Please ask your healthcare professional for personal advice. Once adjusted, press the release button and release the inserter. Press down the sensor connection block. Gently slide the transmitter onto the sensor base. Your receiver prompts you to start sensor. Press Yes. This will begin the sensor initialization. Calibrate your ContourVia with a blood glucose measurement. Always calibrate while your blood glucose level is stable. Values within 2 hours after a meal or a high-sugar drink cannot be used for calibration. Enter the blood glucose reading into your ContourVia receiver within 5 minutes and confirm with OK. Congratulations, you're all set. Icons make it easy to navigate. Along the top, icons provide key information, time, date, and an icon for the vibration alert, a number that indicates the number of sensor days remaining, and icons for audio alert, Bluetooth, as well as an indicator for the receiver battery life. Along the bottom, menu icons allow easy access to the following operations: end the sensor, set parameters, enter event markers, and review data. To set alerts on your ContourVia receiver, select the Parameter Settings icon, then Alert Settings. You can then adjust the values for High Alert and Low Alert. You can review previous data by pressing the Data Review icon on your menu bar and then choosing Review Data. Navigate the data by swiping across or zoom in to look more closely at certain sections of time. Add markers for events such as exercise, meal, medication, or insulin. Ensure to set these each time before you start the event. Add a marker before your meal. Add a marker before you start an activity. A marker will appear on your CGM graph to signify the event. Inputting events will give you more complete data, allowing you to learn the effect that these events have on your glucose levels. From the Data Review icon on your main menu, you can either see data for one day, or you can also select 24-hour data. This will give you an overlay of several days. Your contour via receiver will alert you 12 hours before you need to replace your sensor. Use your contour via receiver to end the sensor session. Next, gently peel the sensor off your skin and slide the transmitter off the sensor base. The transmitter should be kept and reused with your next sensor. Ensure to replace the battery each time. When you're ready to start a new sensor, remember to alternate the insertion site and follow the same procedure you used previously.